Lavalle By proyecto triangular in Buenos Aires, Argentina. The intervention is carried out in a 32 square meters apartment in a listed building of heritage character from the 30s, in the Balvanera neighborhood, in the autonomous city of Buenos Aires. The pre-existing organization of the unit presented a series of poorly articulated enclosures, so the work was done to maximize the entry of natural light throughout the unit and recover the footprint of the original project, while adapting to contemporary ways of living, such as living and working in the same space. The purpose of the apartment was to accommodate a permanent residence and a professional development space for a textile designer, which required a capacity for flexibility of the unit and adequate storage space. For this, 3 pieces were designed that organize the new configuration of the apartment and adopt almost all of its height, capable of accommodating various storage spaces, as well as activities such as cooking and hygiene, among others. One of them defines the bathroom space, and the other is the kitchen space. Another is responsible for having a triple function, providing library storage towards the living working space, and accommodating some appliances adjacent to the kitchen space. In contrast, the bedroom functions as a dressing room, complemented by a 2-position door that allows isolating the bedroom from the rest of the apartment. The materials catalog is defined by the integration of pre-existing textures, discovered after the demolition and dismantling of the ceilings. The exposed brick was left on the walls and the imprint of the wood from the formwork was preserved in the concrete of the ceiling and columns, as well as the original moldings of the building. All these materials became homogeneous from the white color, highlighting the subtle variations of the textures. The floor became continuous through the application of polished micro-cement. In addition, translucent materials such as polycarbonate were used to filter the views, allowing light to pass through the entire apartment, as well as Guatambo storage modules that provide warmth to the intervention. In the case of the bathroom, opal glass was used towards the exterior and polycarbonate towards the interior, acting as a thermal bridge breaker and avoiding condensation of vapor, while maintaining the entry of light. In conclusion, the intervention carried out in this apartment has allowed for greater integration of spaces, the entry of natural light throughout the unit, and the maximization of its flexibility and storage capacity. The material palette used respects the history of the building while introducing contemporary elements that provide warmth and luminosity to the intervention.